I remember going to China once. We'd just taken a big order for a distributor in Canada, and it was all packed up, ready to be shipped out. And I wasn't over there to even check this order. I was just literally over there to meet the manufacturers and do some stuff. I just opened up one of the boxes that was packed, and it had a component in it that was wrong. And I was like, oh, shit. Opened up another box. Same thing. Oh my God. We have packed 8,000 units with the totally wrong component in it. We are going to send that to Canada. They are going to obviously defect it. Then we're going to have to recall them, send them all out again. But it would have almost killed us. Like the cost incurred to the business would have been massive. We would have just lost credibility with the manufacturer, with the client. And it was all because of just having really poor quality control processes in place and trying to run as fast as I could, do the fundamentals well. Yes, go fast, open up a lot of countries, but check your products, do quality control, like make sure things are right. And I think product developers don't do that enough. Let's just sell as much as we possibly can, and then we'll just see what happens afterwards. But it's not how you want to do it.